Varinio sero hasorobochi rwa senchira yobo ikirano bono go tigana nere varinio sero nigo tokomera no mulikito kurwa se county ya Nyamira jobu maange oyo gotumanyibuno oyo kabero makarani ase county ya Nyamira se Daniel Yorina oyo bono bete kago tirani gwemeremo ase gake myaka na nemeti nyakiandani go more bono anchirukirana ase meremo yaye abwase county ya Nyamira niga arengena gati yama mocho gotebekana buna niga goletega ali senchira yobo tutukano egento kereta kanyara gotirani gwemeremo ase kemia ke yubonsi asabona ene kiriko cha kemeremo ya jabe no roboti urukorose county ya Nyamira asenchira yoboime
Maiga yoko baisiko asemia kene nemetyenyi kianda Daniel Orina na irani gokoba omokarani we bunge ye county ya Nyamira naorokia omochengo omonene asate abateraba aororo kobaisiko asege kekyo egetambe.
Nashukuru sana kotenya saimbi yamono ya nyarekanire nga obaremere na atwarire myake karibu 5 kuba moyo iskari trigasi rais moneke rutamanyeti nga mambigi ochikoba
boigo nigateba niganchiro kuirana emeremo yemaga yekyombe getenenerete abakori emeremo kumuruseria amamocho abekeretwe buna ogosaba eloni yegari asenchera etari endonge na boigo taka nabateneneri bechiwod chibesa babwenerete gwakanwa.
Somebody had raised the issue that I had given myself a car loan, which I did not. I got it from normal process and the documents are there. Gratuity in the assembly of 2013-2017, which was paid, of course, at the end of the day, because gratuity is paid at the end of the term. Then the County Assembly Service Board has processed the allegations which were there, and all of them were found to be baseless. Ono na irani back to the office.
Nae gwali rubelio kuirana emeremo no monogeri we bunge ye county Nyamira Enoch Okero ikukirera gochaka emeremo na kuumera abakoli emeremo we bunge ye county Nyamira.
The current speaker Honorable Enoch Okero na ngari rubebono mambi to start work immediately. Nashukuru.
Narwa eira gochikobeka abakoli emeremo amo elinde banyare gokora egasi yabo asenchera enyororo.
I want to promise that as I'm coming back, my interest is to put together the county assembly staff so that they're able to give service as is required. Assembly, actually, the face of assembly is the staff. If the staff does not do what is right, then you expect to have a lot of unnecessary commotion.
Ense moya bateneneri bechiwod na chikoba bwatesia elinde gokora magendero abo asechiwod.
That is my beginning point, to bring together all the members of staff and also link them very well with the MCAs, because we need to work in tandem so that we're able to deliver. And in the process, we shall facilitate our honorable MCAs to deliver their mandate at the wards.
Kurwa se bunge ye county Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job ma